What? Hi guys.
Hey guys, this is something a little different for us. Very different.
And I am so excited about it.
Yeah, we got this at our P.O. box, which is Bob and Ashley, P.O. Box 290213, Port Orange, Florida 32127. And at first you're like, oh, somebody sent us a subscription box. Then we opened it. We filmed that opening because we didn't, for the mail vlog or what, but to our amazement and surprise, it was from
Disney!
Disney sent this for us to review.
So we would just like to say thanks to Disney.
Thank you, Disney.
Sending this for us to review. It's called
Disney DOORABLES.
DOORABLES.
Let's take a look, shall we?
Fun. It comes with this fun little card. It says, this is from Moose Toys. It says, unlock the latest surprise with glittering eyes and discover new Disney Doorables. You can stack and mix them. Imagine your own Disney Doorables with the enclosed multi-pack and mini stack playset.
And this stack, this has Jumbo's Cafe from Zootopia.
It says behind every door there's a surprise.
Here's the door in here.
Look at this.
And let's see, 5, 6, or 7 more Doorables in here.
Wow, how awesome is this?
How cool is this?
I am so excited.
Very excited. And these aren't even available yet until August.
Oh yeah?
Which I'll put in the description. I don't remember if it was August 1st or 18th, so I don't want to say it wrong.
Oh yeah.
But I'll put it in the description when these are available. And it looks like there's 78 to collect. And
there's 11 of these
11
to collect.
movies that they're based on.
Yeah, you have Olaf's Chill Out, Mickey Mouse. You have Rapunzel's Creative Corner, Boo's Bedroom, Alice Teacup, Hook's Pirate Ship, Moana's Hut, Beast's Chateau. Ooh. And we got this one,
which is Jumbo's Cafe from Zootopia.
And Lilo's Hangout and Pinocchio's Workshop.
And it looks like it has Judy Hopps, yeah. So let me move this camera over. Let me grab this camera and we're gonna get a close-up of all this.
I can't wait to open it.
All right, here's an up-close look.
So these are the different, would you call them houses?
Well, yeah, it's whatever it is. It's a chateau or yeah.
But see, look here, you can
you can stack them.
You can stack them, do all kinds of things with them, and these things, look how cute they are. Yeah.
And there's another one in here.
That's gonna be a surprise.
Ooh, it's a surprise. Disney Doorables. Behind every door, a surprise is in store.
Look, there's like a popsicle. And what do you think that is?
I don't know.
Let's open it and find out.
Yeah. Well,
you want to?
Yeah. Ashley will open it. And this one is really gonna be cool because it's got 5, 6, or 7. I'm gonna bet 6. What do you think?
You wanna say 6? 6?
But that'd be 6, 7. We can possibly have 8 of the 78 here to collect.
Oh, and with the different ones?
All right, as Ashley opens that box up, I'm going to show you on the back here. It shows a lot of them, and they got common, rare, ultra rare, limited edition, and special edition by the colors. So you can see all the ones with the white underneath them are common. Then you get into the green, they're rare. And you get ultra rare, limited edition, and special edition. So Judy Hopps, where is she?
I don't think she's on here. I think these are separate ones that you can collect.
Look for the limited edition metallic figures.
So you can get them like individually like this in a set like this, and then you get the houses. And I think there might be different ones in the houses than there are on those sets.
Yeah, that one's got the exclusive Judy Hopps figure and a surprise. Oh, that's a little ice cream.
Look at her.
Here, we'll set her down and look at that. She's tiny. Yeah, and I'll tell you right now, they're very small. Very small, so be careful with your pieces.
Do you think this is like a little ice cream stand?
It could be.
I don't know. It's got like a little hole in it, so that's why I'm thinking maybe it goes in there. Let's just set her up there, huh?
Well, see, see? That's the door.
Oh, can you put her in there?
Let's it has a peg in the back for her.
Oh, or the table to stand.
Or the table. I think she's going to be sitting in the, when you open the door.
Oh, she has a peg too. So you want to put her on the peg?
But her feet are so small and the peg is small, but she did go in there. It was pretty cool. So what, it looks like you can take the other things in here. Like let me take this and set her little ice cream stand in there. Look at her. Isn't she adorable? Or little glue. Yeah, because you can see the peg's small, her feet are small. So let's see what we have in this other one.
Look at the little ice cream cones right there. You see them?
Yep. Pretty cool.
So do you think it's going to have to do with Zootopia? This is what it looks like. Disney DOORABLES. Let's see. Oh,
Is that Goofy?
Goofy!
So that's part of the Mickey and Friends collection.
What?
Oh, look how adorable he is.
Oh.
Look how cute Goofy is. Little glittery eyes.
Inside it comes with a little stand.
Came with a stand and also. So let's break into the
big box.
Big box. So see, look, he's got a little. They have little holes in the bottom of their feet, and they also comes with a stand. I guess my only complaint so far would be is how small they are.
Yeah.
So you took that off. That was a surprise.
Yeah, this was on top of it.
It's on top of it.
And it's another. So I could just imagine how exciting this would be for like a kid.
Yeah.
Being like, what's inside? What did I get?
What's in the box?
What's in the box? Are we ready
How do you
for
open the
this?
box? Yeah.
It looks like it's perforated right here.
Oh,
Oh
okay.
my gosh. I feel like I'm doing like, I don't know. This is so exciting. What?
Oh, there's more. One,
How
two, three,
cute
four.
is that?
So there's 5 doors.
There's 5 doors.
So that means if there's going to be more than 5. Oh, okay. You can take them right
You
out.
can take them right out.
Packaging is pretty cool.
Packaging is pretty
So look, it
cool.
even has like there's your door, and each little building has a window.
So is there a character that you're wanting to get?
Me?
Have you looked at it?
No, I haven't looked at them. I just want to be surprised by them
You
all.
want to be surprised?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, what is it? So it's a bag that was like in the other bag. Who is that? Oh, is that that's from Frozen.
It is. Common?
Yep.
But what's his name? Marshmallow!
Marshmallow.
His name is Marshmallow.
Let me see if I can.
I like how all the boxes are like different shapes. They actually like look like little houses with little windows.
Oh, that one's got a little heart on the door
I
too.
know, that one's, I keep eyeing that one like it's so cute.
So far we got Judy Hopps, Goofy, and Marshmallow. So
Which
who's
one should
next?
I do?
Just go in order.
Is it? Aww.
Oh, that's all right, so we figured out who this little critter was. It's Dormouse
From Alice in Wonderland.
from Alice in Wonderland. So, Dormouse.
This one has a fuzzy little head.
Oh, that might be a special one.
Is this Christopher Robin?
It is. I think it is Christopher Robin.
What? Christopher Robin.
It is a special edition.
What? Velvety head, like a
Oh yeah, his head is
velvety-
really soft. So put his. So Christopher Robin. So far we've gotten. We finally got a special edition.
Special edition.
Look at these. The glittery eyes are awesome.
They're kind of a little sad, aren't they?
He does look sad.
They look sad.
I said the only negative I would have about these so far is how small they are.
Yeah. But
It'd
I mean,
be-
we're adults, so
Yeah, but it'd be really easy to lose.
for a kid, though, they're probably the right size.
Peter Pan.
What?
So we got
Oh my goodness.
Peter Pan, which is
How
Peter Pan is common. Yep.
He's cutie though. Keep these little houses too. I mean, they're cute.
Yeah. Far 1, 2, 3. So that one's either going to have 1 or 3 inside of it.
Oh my goodness.
It doesn't seem very heavy.
Do you want to do the honors?
I can do it.
Okay.
Yeah, there's. What else is in here? He's got a base.
Oh.
This one is the first one that has a base. So it's only 1, and I am guessing it is just by the look of it.
That is awesome.
Oh no, that's Lilo. Lilo Luau.
Oh my goodness.
So can you will
You guys,
picture?
these are so cute.
Will it show her?
Yep, it's got her.
What I'm gonna do for this one, since it looks like it has a spot on the top, I'm gonna take
You're gonna put her up there?
Judy out, put her up on top with everybody else.
Wow. These,
So basically, we got 1 special edition, and the rest were common, right?
so
Pretty
these
cool.
Disney DOORABLES by Moose Toys with glittery eyes are so cute.
I think my favorite one. How cool is that?
Goofy looks sad too though, doesn't he?
I think it's just the way the glittery eyes are.
I just like how they have the boxes that you can keep. Those
Well,
are
you
pretty
can put them
cool.
inside the box too.
Yep. And then like if you have these, you can stack them and create your own town.
Right here. You see,
How you can stack them.
that's like six of them stacked there, and then 3, 4 stacked right there.
So how cool is that? That is so cool.
Seeing these the same time we're seeing them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 in that box. I said it could be 5 to 7. And then we got 2 with the other box. So we have a total of 7. Pretty cool. That was pretty cool.
That was fun, and we'd like to thank Disney again for sending us these doorables.
Disney DOORABLES. Check them out in August. Check the description for when they'll be available. They're pretty cool.
They are very cute.
Another cool thing, and with 78 of them to collect.
There's 78 to collect. There's 11 houses.
They're based on 11 movies.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. And when you get the special edition ones like Christopher Robin, it was pretty cool.
I mean, I like to collect things.
Yeah.
And I know kids would too. I mean, for us, for adults, I think they're a little small for us, but for little hands,
they're cute.
They're cute. I mean, and those eyes, they just like draw you in.
They either look really happy or really sad.
They are.
But the, like here, the accessories with it, that's tiny. I can see that going missing easily.
Yeah, maybe. That would probably be the only drawback.
Well, the only drawback, see, I can't even get it back in there. I can see on these is it doesn't store it.
Yeah.
It has a door in the front,
but not a door in the back.
Not a door in the back. So if you had a door in the back, then you could keep everything that goes with this little set in it.
Right.
So keep that in mind if you want to collect them.
I would.
Cool.
I mean, I love collecting anything Disney, and they're adorable.
Yeah. A good play on adorable.
Yeah.
But
that was so exciting to get.
It was pretty cool. And you get the excitement. I can see a kid getting into like one of this big box that could have 7 of them in there, and just the excitement like Christmas going through everything.
So tell us what you think. Is this something that you would get for your children?
Yeah, and like I said,
would you collect?
And I don't know, since we just got this and we really haven't had time to
we just got
research it. It's going to be in some kind of box like this from Moose Toys. But we'll
we
find
were
out.
just so excited. We just wanted to get this out for you guys to see.
Yeah, because it's almost August now. We wanted to get this out so you can have an idea what's coming out if you hadn't seen this already. And it's another cool thing by Disney.
Yeah. Tell us what you think, and thank you for watching. And thank you again, Disney.
Thank you, Disney. And don't waste a day. Every day is a gift.
Bye.
Hope to see you out there.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed, so we're on the run today.